guys, Marijuana, the final season drops in a month.
Oh, really? I see.
But we felt that it was finally time to finish a story. And it's very bittersweet, but we're also so excited.
Yeah, I can't wait to watch Runner. I see that.
She was the first show Glitch ever created, and now we're really excited to show you
Alright.
guys how it went. They just dropped over on the Glitch channel, so
Okay.
please go check it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out after this video.
Final season, official
Oh, the final season.
Official twice, yes. Oh, right, that's okay.
Okay.
Yes. And it's limited time too.
Wow, that looks amazing. I would appreciate.
We're having a massive sale on all previous.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. I wish I might buy that, but I don't mind.
Thank you guys so much for all the support over the many years we've worked on Marijuana. We're genuinely so excited for this grand finale. We're so happy that you guys can be with us for the rest.
Yeah.
Now, onto the video, guys.
Okay. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Looks like Mario's driving a car. And my... Oh, no!
Here we go again.
Oh, God. We're doing... Not this again. I remember when I start reacting my first reaction of SMG4, Mario gets his PINGAS stuck in the dark. That was like a year ago. But this is getting worse. Wait, what are you doing? Oh my God! What? Come on! Come on! Oh my God! This is getting tortured. This is getting tortured. Why? Just why? Okay. Oh shit! Shit! Oh no. Okay. Okay. You're lucky you didn't get hurt by the car. You gotta help this guy. Okay, not that kind of help. That's getting much torture. Oh my God! 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 Put it back! Put it back!
You freaking jackass!
Shut up! Oh hey, it's Karen. There's Karen right there.
No.
Look, good thing Karen doesn't even care. She still doesn't. Wow.
Sweet.
Oh, good for you. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, you gotta help this guy. Come on. Why won't you help him? Oh my God, he's about to die. Oh no! Come on! Don't. Oh, okay. Oh Jesus! Why won't you help? Why don't you help, Grandpa? Oh great, the police. At least he's getting sick. Oh no! Not the guns! Not the gun. Okay, shoot back! Come on. Oh no! Oh my fucking God! Oh my gosh. They're gonna fucking murder Mario. Okay. I can't believe his penis is stuck again.
You get to star in your own episode.
Yeah. Yeah! Oh shit. Ah! Okay. Oh no. Come on! Oh, Kirby. What did you do? How does that help at all? Oh! It's a reflector. Yeah. At least you're safe. And he's ascending.
Thank you, God.
Thanks, Lord. Look, oh, at least he's going. Oh! At least he's going to the hospital. Okay. No. He didn't. He literally didn't. And oh, they only came from a wheelchair. Come on, help him!
My bad on that one. Sorry about that.
You gotta be kidding me. I'm so impatient. Ugh. Yeah, don't look. Okay. What the hell are you doing? Aren't you gonna get his fingers out?
Oh,
I see now. Oh no! Why not? Oh my god! Why not use it? No. You want new breasts? What the hell's wrong with you? Oh great. Oh, now after 2 years, now you remembered? Thank God. Yeah, I feel bad for you, man. Yeah. Oh no, you don't. Yeah.
Please don't tell me. It's your girl.
Yep. It's stuck in a car. A car door. Whatever. What is... Oh, emergency? Okay. Yeah, we need to get out of this hospital. We need to get it out. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, great. Why does it have to be this again? What? Why with the war? Just why? Why? Are they waiting for the aliens again? I don't know. Cause, okay. Oh, what the fuck are you? What the fuck? What? What am I looking at?
Where there are leaders stuck indoors, they will come. Life forms from another planet here to harvest our Johnsons for their own weapons of mass destruction. Only we can't save the world now.
Jesus Christ. What to do now?
Oh, oops, nearly forgot.
What? Oh no, not the aliens again. We're not dealing with shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh no, 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 just no. Oh great, another fucking ad.
Starting route to Nissan of Clearwater.
Okay. Oh shit! No. Just no! What are you gonna do? Something now! Oh! Wow, that was a good move right there. Whoa.
You aliens aren't the only ones that studied the way out the door, Dickie.
Oh. You were training yourselves?
Last time would never happen again. We have more than just
I see now. Y'all are war veterans. I see that. Yep, you sure do. You got a lot of army. Yeah, okay. Okay, oh. Okay, that's not a battle cry, I would say. Oh, come on. Reflect more doors! Come on, people! Come on! Oh, shit. Come on. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There you go. Looks like they're suffering. The big one? Oh! What's the...
They are flying away. We did guys.
The big... I don't know. I don't understand what the big one is.
Sweet baby Jesus.
What? Oh my god! What the hell? Jesus, they're gonna... All of them are gonna die! Oh, great. No one's gonna stop it! Oh, great, they're mean! Aliens are maniacs.
No, there's got to be something we can do.
Oh.
You started all of this. Think of something.
Yeah. He can't think of... What?
My God, that's it.
What? Oh. Your penises go to your car doors. Yeah, whatever. But how does that work to stop the door? The giant one. Oh. I guess so. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's the move right here. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're going to retreat. Thank God. Thank goodness. Yep, they sure did. Yo, yeah, what? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We got. Oh no!